Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. It's Jenna G and husband is here.
Long time no see, guys.
And we have this huge ginormous lobster.
That is why I see you, because she's afraid of it.
And I don't know what to do with it. So it's actually the first time. Look at this. What is that? Turn it around. It's so scary looking to even hold. I'm sorry, but no.
But it's like I think it's like a 3 pound, maybe 4 pound lobster.
I don't know. But this video is our first time cooking lobster. We have no idea how to do it. I've never dealt with lobster, to be honest with you. I just like to eat it. You never dealt with lobster?
You can cook a lobster, boil it, put butter on it.
So we had to try to figure out what to do. But anyway, so this video is all about first time cooking lobster.
She got this in a hamper.
It was a seafood hamper, like with a set of stuff in it.
Right.
And this was like 2 whole lobster like this. Like, look at this.
Yeah,
ginormous. It's supposed to have all these leggy stuff on it.
Yeah, lobsters have
I know,
legs on
but
it.
like anything normally, like
Normally,
tail.
a lot of places they just go and get the tail to eat alone.
And they sell it alone too.
And they sell the tails alone,
Yeah.
frozen. But I think when they get it whole, they're supposed to clean it. But this one, apparently, the people who sold it, they already split it and took out the guts or the head stuff that they call it and split it all the way down.
So you could eat all of this stuff in here.
All this has meat, the lobster head has meat in it, but it's not a traditional thing that a lot of people eat.
Why?
So
Was
the
it?
tail is really what the real nice meat is, and it's a lot easier to eat the tail alone.
Stupid question. Is that stupid? I don't know. You carry nothing else. Right?
You could eat the legs, Trinidad's
You
curry
could eat the
legs.
legs?
You see crab leg?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you could eat the legs.
Really?
So I don't know how you're going to attempt to cook it for the
Me? That's what you wear for. I have no idea.
You could cook lobster anyway, but I think you want to try the original, traditional,
Steam it. I guess.
steam it and then make a sauce.
Take out the meat, like, and then you could put in like in a sauce.
Yeah, like a butter sauce or a chili sauce, and you kind of. But I think that's the easiest way. Is like to.
Why do I have eyes watching, man?
I don't know. As you can see, it's split.
Okay, split it.
Yeah, it's split all the way down.
Okay, so that's good.
Yeah.
So all we have to do is just put up a pot of water and put it just so with some salt in it.
Yeah, and we can
And
try
that's
that. We have 2, so this will
2.
be.
So this is the first one, right? So we said, well, okay, let's just try to, let's just put it on and see how we go on then. If you have never done the lobster well.
Come along for the ride.
Yeah.
We have a pot big enough for this, I think.
I don't know. So we have this pot. Don't mind the color of it, right? It's an old pot. Right, Susie?
Ah.
Turn it around. You could cut out this part.
Alright, you better cut all the mandibles, tentacles. We need like, alright, we'll cut stuff off.
Oh my goodness. This is
We gotta chop it out.
So you bend it like that. If you bend it, it'll be good. It could just go in. So yeah, if you just bend it, we can have a pot, to put this. Yeah, just bend it. Good. It's perfect. Lovely. So he fit. He fit, guys. He fit. We have to leave the eyes.
We can take it out. I can take it out.
Like that?
Well, I'll give it a wash before we actually cook it.
Okay.
That's-
Yeah. So wait, what you doing?
Basically washing out all the little pieces of maybe guts or gills that might still be.
Really thought we had
Like just
to
taking out all this.
clean this thing.
Yeah, but they
I
clean
was
it for the
so
most part.
confused.
So just doing a little extra cleaning.
And this is what you're supposed to do, right?
Well, yeah, take out the guts, but people boil it, I mean whole. They do it whole.
And just take a little meat after.
Yeah, and take out the meat after.
So, have lobster staring at me in the pot here.
He fit in the pot. It's not the nicest pot, but he fit.
So just going to put some salt in the water. We're just going to cover it down and let him steam. I think we read that
7 to 8 minutes per pound. I estimate it to be 3 pounds max, so we done for between 20 to 25 minutes. Okay. Interesting is what sauce you went with. Normally it's a butter sauce.
Yeah, we could do like a butter sauce.
Yeah, with some garlic and maybe some.
Yeah, simple. Let's just get the hang of this. And the other one, I could probably try to do something a little
Get bacon.
nice. I have a bake option too, so yeah. So cover this.
Come in one time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but perfect actually.
Yeah, looking nice.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
The steam over there, good.
Nice. We have to flip him.
Nah, steam in this.
Just
We can
so-
flip them after 10 minutes if you want.
10 minutes,
Yeah.
okay.
So you're checking it?
Yeah, you checking it?
Yeah.
Okay. 12 minutes. And we're going to flip it. I'm not sure if we're supposed to really flip it, but
We
why
just do
not?
it. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna try to flip it with 2 tongues, right? Let's see how this goes.
Can we splash up here?
You be careful, right?
We don't. That wasn't too bad. Oh, look, he looking
Kinda cooked.
cooked-ish.
Like this says 7 to 8 minutes a pound, so that's 12 minutes. We're going for around 25 minutes.
Nice.
That
He
was
looking
pretty
nice.
easy.
He looking nice. Check him out. Looking
I
nice.
think he'll turn bright reddish when
Yeah.
you finish, right? So we covered it.
So I think the lobster kind of almost finishing.
So maybe like a couple of minutes again.
So we're going to attempt like a sauce for it.
Not attempt, making our sauce for it.
Okay, correct,
Yeah,
correct.
the sauce pan down.
Making a sauce for it. We're making the sauce. We put olive oil, the
Butter.
some grated garlic,
You
and
gotta have salt in there.
yeah, but I also put a little pinch, and I put in some green seasoning in it as well.
Trini sauce, boy.
Just sprinkle some salt in it too. Ooh,
Trini sauce done smelling there.
I know.
25 minutes later, this is the next challenge to fit this bad boy in there. I think he should be done, right?
I think you should be okay there. I think. Can take out this stuff.
Watch out, right?
Okay. Bye.
Yeah,
Oh,
man. Yeah,
not
man.
bad.
Just this time, picky.
Wait. Okay. And then do what? You can break him. You kind of. Yeah, you okay there?
I know what I'm saying.
Check him out. Not bad.
It looks pretty good.
I mean, I hope you just didn't overcook him. You know?
Yeah.
I'm not sure, but we'll taste it when we find out. Okay. So what are we doing?
So we let him cool or we
No,
have-
we're going and he's trying to go for him now. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. Okay, kind of still looking scary, although it's cooked. Like a sure. Oh yes.
Oh.
Now that is looking good.
And finish him off. Meat side down first into the sauce directly. Oh wow.
The shell's still on, should we have taken out the shell?
Presentation wise, I don't think so.
Presentation, right?
So let us marinate this for a couple of minutes.
Let's check. Yeah, so throw over the sauce now on it.
I put the sauce on.
On one. Yeah. So finished. This is what the tail is looking like. Not bad, not bad. And then we have all of this that the husband took out this meat from. So we could probably experiment with this and do
I had
something.
lobster pasta or lobster roll or something.
Yeah, we could do something with it.
Yeah, still have more meat in it to take out.
Still
I just-
more?
Yeah, I just want to taste this tail.
My-
You know,
You
kinda-
excited?
Yeah, it's smelling like. Oh!
Sweet that I just dig in there with my hand. With that nice sauce. Wow.
Some of that sauce.
We did a pretty good job.
Restaurant, eat all your hats out. Sauce though, wow.
Yeah. Nice, right?
I'm not a huge fan of lobster, but this is
It's pretty good.
as easy as it could be. Like steam it for like, we did it for like 25
25
minutes
minutes.
because I estimated like about 3 pounds.
Yeah.
I'm also 8 minutes a pound.
But like, I wouldn't do it by myself because it was so scary to handle alone. If it's the tails, it's okay, but I'm not doing all this by myself.
Yeah, the whole lobster kind of a challenge, but
Yeah,
the,
to work with.
the head area had a lot of meat. I took out some, have more to take out. So you
Do
have the tail
something
teeth
with that.
and you could do something else with it.
Mm-hmm.
One tail each, right?
Okay. I'm taking this one now then.
But you don't have for this one already.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this. First time trying or cooking lobster. You never dealt with one on this crew?
I never clean a lobster because mostly getting
Yeah.
efficient, so I already catch these. But I know how to do it. So I was planning on doing the whole cleaning process for you guys, but luckily she got it already cleaned.
Yeah, when we open up the thing, it was like,
Yeah, it was a
ready.
surprise to us, yeah. So we just did some minor, quick additional cleaning, like washing it out, etc. But other than that, and the sauce, super easy.
Garlic, butter, olive oil, pinch of salt, champagne sauce, or fresh parsley or anything.
And you
like
can
that.
have fun with it. You could.
Yeah, you can make any kind of sauce too. You can make curry lobster too. Oh, curry lobster.
Nah, no curry.
Why?
A lobster pasta or something.
Okay.
Or lobster roll.
We can make lobster pasta. Good.
Good job. Although she was a little scared.
I still scared. I don't even want to touch that. Like, look, I still it cooked through and I still don't even want to touch it. Like,
Still have meat in it.
it's still weird looking to me. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Any pointers on how to go about or what kind
Let
of
us know.
Yeah, lobster, how you like your lobster, how you do your lobster. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thanks to the husband for helping.
Always here for you, Jenna G.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you all in my next video.